Hello, class. How are you doing? Okay. Welcome to class. Today we'll be looking at word problems involving algebraic fraction. Word problems involving algebraic fraction. Now, let's solve some examples. Number one here, we have that the ages of two girls are in the ratio 5 to 9. It said if the older girl is 18 years, how old is the younger girl? Two girls in ratio 5 to 9. If the older girl, so from these two ratios, which one is bigger?
Yeah.
So this should be the ratio for the bigger girl, right? We were told that the bigger girl is 18 years old, but we should look for the age of the younger girl. Don't forget, in solving word problems involving algebraic fraction, what do I say we do first? We think of an alphabet to represent the unknown. So let us call the younger girl's age Y. The Y. Is that not so? Don't write, so just listen. So we have Y, that's the younger girl's age. Y over 18 is equals to 5 over 9. Do you get it? This is the ratio, 5 over 9. These are the actual ages. For the younger girl, for the older girl. So now we are going to look for the age of the younger girl. What do we do when we have an expression like this? First of all, we have brought out the unknown with an alphabet. Then we have brought out the expression. Next is for us to solve. So what do we do here? We cross multiply. This expression is an example of monomer fraction. That is what we did previously. Okay. When we cross multiply, y times 9 equals what? 9y. That must be equal to 18 times 5. Work that out for me quickly. 18 times 5. Hmm? 90. Jesus, 90. So what do we do next? 9y over what? 9. We are dividing both sides by the coefficient of y. So that y will be standing alone. When 9 cancels 9, 9 is standing alone, y is standing alone. So we have y equals to what? 9 here 1, 9 here 1. So we have what? 10. So y is equals to 10. So if the older girl is 18 years old, the younger girl is 8 years old. Is it clear? Do you have any question? So let's move on. Yeah? Yes, it's a big question. If I tell you to write down the question because it's not clear. Okay, read the second question for me. What are you going to read? Read it out for me.
230.
Number 2. 2 what?
23 is added to a number.
Okay.
Giving 3/4, hence the number.
Okay, go again, calmly. 23, right?
Yes.
23 is added to a number.
Yes.
Okay.
Giving 3/4.
Okay, 23 plus a number. Let us call that number what?
T.
T. 23 is added to T, okay?
Giving 3/4, hence the number.
Giving 3/4. That 3/4 means 3 over 4. 3 over 4. They say 23 is added to what? Read this one again. To 10. It's not 23. To 10. To 10, please. There's a difference. Check your question very well. The question I have there is to 10. Correct it if it's 23. 23 in the row. What is here is 2/3. What is there in your note? 2/3. So when we say 2/3, 2/3 means 2/3. Are you seeing it now? They said 2/3 is added to a number plus a number. You said that number be t, right? It's going to give us what? 3/4, which means 3/4. We are asked to find the number. Is that the first of all, you must get the expression right. If you don't get the expression right, there is no way your solution will be correct. You can't get a correct answer. So having known that 2/3 plus t equals to 3/4. So what do we do now? Are you sure? We are not going to cross multiply yet because the both of them are not sharing the same denominator. Don't forget we did something like that. When they both are not sharing the same denominator, you give this a denominator over 1 and do what? And let's work on this side first. You look for the LCM of 3 and 1. Definitely it's going to be what? 3. 3 divided by 3 is what? 1. 1 times 2 remains 2. Plus 3 divided by 1 remains 3. 3 times 3, 3t equals to 3/4. Now both of them are sharing same denominator. So we cannot cross multiply. When we cross multiply, 4 will be multiplying 2 plus 3t, and 3 will be multiplying 3. 4 times 2 is what? 8. Plus 4 times 3, 12t, because the t is added to it. 3 times 3 is what? 9. So what do we do from here? We collect like terms. So we have 12t is equals to 9 minus 8. Is that not so? So we have 12t equals to 1. So what do we do? By the coefficient of t, which is what? 12. So 12. 12. When 12 cancels 12, t will remain as what? 1/12. Is it clear? Okay. So let's move on to the third question. Number 3. What does number 3 question say? It says the difference between half and 1/3 of a number is 2. Find the number. The difference between half. When we say difference, what do we mean? Minus 2. The difference between half and 1/3 of a number is 2. Find the number. So what are we going to call that number now?
F.
F?
F.
F. Okay. F. Okay. So it will be the difference between half of a number and 2/3 of that same number. And half is 1/2. 1/2f minus 2f, 1/3. Is it 1/3 or 2/3? 1/3. 1/3f. It gives us what? 2. Do you understand it? Our expression must be right. They say the difference between half of f, we call it f, right? Half of a number and 1/3 of a number. I will say 1/3 is 1/3. Gives us 2. Now find the number. What do we do here? What do you have here? Okay. The LCM of 2 and 3 is definitely what? 6. So 6 divided by 2 3 times 1, 2. 3f minus 6 divided by 3, 2 times 1, 2f plus 4, 2. So when we have an expression like what do we do? Over 1. Then we do what? Cross multiply. So we have 3f minus 2f equals to 6 times 2. So f is equal to what? 6 times 2 is what?
6 times
12. So the number is 12. Is it clear? So number 3, exercise number 3, it says when the reciprocal of a number is added to half of its reciprocal, the result is 1 over 5. When we say reciprocal, it means 1 over the number. The reciprocal of 5 would be what? 1 over 5. Is it clear? Okay, let's go to the question again. It says when the reciprocal of a number is added. Now let's think of a number. That is an alphabet. A. Okay. Reciprocal of A, 1 over A. And then what happens to the reciprocal of the number? Is added to half of its reciprocal. Added to half plus 1 over 2 of what? A. Are you seeing it? The result is what? What is the result? Okay, 1 over 5. Do you see it now? So we have 1 over A plus 1 over 2 A equals to 1 over 5. So what do we do? LCM of this or that expression so that they become 1. LCM of 2A and A will be what? It's not 2A. It remains as 2A. Let's look at it. If you want to look for LCM, we did that during factorization. 2A and A. What is common between them? We use A, there will be 1, there will be 2. What is 2, 1, 1? So 2 times A. Are you seeing it? So the LCM of this expression is 2A. So we have 2A. So 2A divided by A. 2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 2A divided by 2A. 1. 1 times 1, 1. Equals to 1 over 5. So here we have 3 over 2A equals to 1 over 5. What do we do next? Let's multiply. Mathematics is not a jamboree that you manipulate. You see, every expression must give a result. So we cross multiply. When we cross multiply, 3 times 5 is what? 15. So we have 2A equals to 15. So what do we do? Divide both sides by the coefficient A. A over 2, sorry. 2 over 2. So 2 cancels 2. So A will be what? 7 whole number. Is it clear? Okay. So let me quickly take that number before you write. I'm going to write it down here. Number 4. What does number 4 say?
Number 5.
Number 5. Is it number 5?
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. This was number 3. This was number 4. Then number 5. Number 5. What does number 5 say? It says Bello thinks of a number when he adds 2 to it and divides the result by 3. It finds out that the result is the same as subtracting 5 from 3 times the number and dividing the result by 8. What is the number? They say, it's too big, it's too much. Fine. You have to break it down carefully. Bello thinks of a number. Now, you think of a number.
P.
P. You think of P. When we add 2 to it and divide the result by 3, we add 2. 2 plus P, okay? And divide the result by 3. Say Bello thinks of when he adds 2 to it and divides the result by 3. Divide the result by 3. Eh? He finds out that the result is the same. The result, that's equals to, is the same as subtracting 5 from 3 times the number. 3 times P. Eh?
Yes.
Subtracting 5 from 3 times. Okay, 5 minus 3 times P. 5 minus 3 times P. And dividing the result by 8. What is the number? You see the expression? He thought of a number, P, added 2 to the number, and divided by 3. He found out that the result is what? It's subtracted, okay, subtract 5, right? From 3 times the number and divides it by 8. Is that not so? Yes. Okay. So what do we do here? Well, let's do that expression because if you don't get the expression correct, there's no way we can solve it. He said he finds out that the result is same as subtracting 5 from 3 times the number. Okay, now this has to be the other way around. We will correct 3 times P minus 5. Yeah? Minus 5. That's to be like that. So let's move on. 2 plus P is what?
2 plus 2. 2P.
You say end up giving us 2P. But no, because this is a number, this is a letter, it may not be easy to attach. If it was times, you know it's easy for us to attach it. 3P. Is that clear? So let's move on. So we have 2 plus P over 3 is equals to, this will now be 3P.
Yes.
Minus 5 over 8. We cannot add these two together. We can only times 3. So what do we do? Cross multiply. When we cross multiply 8, we'll be multiplying 2 plus P, which is equal to 3 multiplying 3P minus 5. Look at it very well. Any problem? 8 times 2 will give us what? 16 plus 8 times P.
8P.
8P. Equals to 3 times 3P. 9P minus 3 times 5. 15. So what else do we do? Collect line 10. So let us leave 16 and we can move P to this other way. So we can say, we can bring this one here. We can say 16 plus 15 equals to 9P minus 8P. Is that not so?
Yes.
15, sorry. So 16 plus 15 is what? Gives you 31, right?
Yes.
31 equals to P or 1P. So P is 31. Do you know that at the end of all these things, we can go on and confirm? We can write it the other way around. P. Confirm if your answers are correct. How do we confirm? We confirm by replacing all these numbers we have got now, whatever we got 10, we bring it here and come and solve it again. If it will give you this other side. That's how we check. So write down. Take down the book. Is there any question?
No.
Okay. So do it so that I'll give you class. Class work will be on page 87, number 1.